Number 15, the Toyota i-Road is a futuristic personal mobility vehicle that combines the compact size and agility of a motorcycle with the comfort and stability of a car. Designed for short urban commutes, it's a three-wheeled electric vehicle that seats 1 or 2 passengers. What sets the i-Road apart is its active lean technology, which allows the vehicle to tilt naturally into turns, offering a smooth and intuitive driving experience, even for beginners. With a fully electric motor, it's eco-friendly and whisper-quiet, delivering a range of about 30-50 kilometers, 19-31 miles, on a single charge. Perfect for navigating crowded city streets. The enclosed cabin protects the rider from the elements, eliminating the need for a helmet or special gear. It's extremely compact, with a width of only 807 millimeters, allowing it to zip through traffic and park in tight spaces with ease. The i-Road is part of Toyota's vision for smarter, more efficient urban transport, promoting sustainability without sacrificing convenience or style. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or exploring the city, the i-Road offers a fun, futuristic alternative to traditional transportation. Number 14, the Unity One is a Swedish-designed electric city car that reimagines urban mobility with a focus on efficiency, sustainability, and modern design. Developed by Unity Sweden AB, the Unity One features a unique 1+2 seating configuration, placing the driver centrally at the front and accommodating 2 passengers behind. This layout not only enhances driver visibility but also optimizes interior space within its compact footprint. Cool material. Forbes Mlo Automotive Interiors World. Com+2, Wikipedia. 2 weighing just 600 kilos, the Unity One is powered by a 50 kW electric motor delivering 85 Nm of torque, enabling acceleration from 0 to 50 km/h in 4.1 seconds and reaching a top speed of 120 km/h. Buyers can choose between 2 battery options, a 12 kW pack offering up to 150 km of range, and a 24 kW pack extending the range to approximately 300 km. Number 13, the Envo Vimo SE is a cutting-edge, semi-enclosed electric trike designed to revolutionize urban commuting with its blend of comfort, efficiency, and eco-friendliness. Powered by a 750W rear hub motor, it offers pedal assist and throttle modes, reaching speeds up to 32 km/h, 20 mph in North America. Its 48V15AH LG lithium battery provides a range of up to 200 kilometers, 124 miles, with the dual battery option, making it ideal for daily commutes and errands. Gadgetify +9 recumbent.news +9 VEMO +9. The Vimo SE's design includes a weather-protective e-pod enclosure, ensuring riders stay dry and comfortable in various conditions. Its compact dimensions, 200 cm long, 89 cm wide, and 150 cm high, allow it to navigate bike lanes and tight urban spaces with ease. Safety features such as hydraulic disc brakes on all 3 wheels, dual LED headlights, turn signals, a roll bar, side mirrors, and a windshield wiper enhance rider security. Electric bike reviews, news, and testing plus ripping. It outdoors +3 LV. Motors +2 Vimo +2 LV. Motors +2 ripping. It outdoors +2. Additional amenities include a Shimano Altus 9-speed transmission, front and rear suspension for a smooth ride, and 60 liters of onboard cargo storage. The adjustable seat accommodates riders from 5'' to 6'4". And number 12. The Walk Car 2 Pro is a groundbreaking personal mobility device from Japan's Coco Motors, designed to redefine urban commuting with its ultra-compact and portable form. Weighing just 2.9 kilos, 6.4 lbs, and roughly the size of a laptop, this innovative, rideable laptop can easily fit into a backpack, making it an ideal solution for last-mile transportation in bustling city environments. YouTube +9 Electrek +9n.Cocoa Motors. Number 11. The Xpeng X2 is a cutting-edge electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft developed by Xpeng Aero HT, representing a significant leap in urban air mobility. This 2-seater flying vehicle is designed for low-altitude city flights, offering a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. Constructed entirely from carbon fiber, the X2 boasts a sleek, teardrop-shaped design that enhances aerodynamic efficiency while minimizing weight. Equipped with 8 electric motors and propellers, it achieves a maximum speed of 130 km/h, 81 mph, and a flight duration of up to 35 minutes, making it suitable for short-distance urban journeys such as sightseeing and emergency medical transport. The aircraft operates in both manual and autonomous modes, allowing passengers to experience a safe and intelligent flight with simple start, return, and landing operations at the touch of a button. The enclosed cockpit provides a comfortable environment, and the X2's zero-emission electric propulsion aligns with sustainable transportation goals. Notably, the Xpeng X2 successfully completed its first public flight in Dubai, marking a milestone in the advancement of autonomous flying vehicles. Number 10. The XEV Yo-Yo is a compact, fully electric urban vehicle designed to meet the demands of modern city living. Developed by the Italian-Hong Kong startup XEV, the Yo-Yo combines innovative design with practical features to offer an efficient and eco-friendly mode of transportation. Wikipedia +1 on Wikipedia. L'Encyclopedia Libera +1, measuring just 2.53 meters in length and 1.5 meters in width, the Yo-Yo is tailored for navigating congested urban environments and fitting into tight parking spaces. Its lightweight construction, achieved through extensive use of 3D printed components, contributes to its agility and energy efficiency. The vehicle is powered by a 10.4 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery, providing a range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge. One of its standout features is the innovative battery swapping system, allowing users to replace depleted batteries with fully charged ones in a matter of minutes, significantly reducing downtime. Xevcars.com. The Yo-Yo's electric motor delivers a top speed of 90 km/h, making it suitable for both city commutes and short trips beyond urban areas. Inside, the vehicle offers a minimalist yet functional cabin with seating for two, air conditioning, and a digital display for essential driving information. Safety features include a high-strength steel frame, ABS with 4 disc brakes, and seatbelt sensors for both driver and passenger. Any +1 Xevcars.com +1 designed with sustainability in mind. The XEV Yo-Yo produces zero tailpipe emissions and boasts low energy consumption, aligning with global efforts to reduce urban pollution. Its affordability and ease of use make it an attractive option for young drivers and city dwellers seeking an alternative to traditional vehicles. With its combination of compact design, innovative technology, and environmental consciousness, the XEV Yo-Yo represents a forward-thinking approach to personal urban mobility. Number 9. The Weped Dark Sonic X is a high-performance electric scooter engineered for thrill-seekers and urban adventurers who demand both speed and style. Crafted with precision using POSCO 6061 aluminum alloy through CNC machining, this scooter boasts a robust yet lightweight frame that ensures durability and a sleek aesthetic. Its powerful dual BLDC hub motors, each delivering 4 kV, propel the Dark Sonic X to exhilarating speeds of up to 130 km/h, approximately 80 mph, making it one of the fastest e-scooters available. The scooter is equipped with a substantial 84V50Ah, 4.2 kWh, Samsung SDI 21750E battery, providing a range of about 100 km on a single charge, depending on riding conditions. Number 8. The Anautic Waveflyer is an innovative electric hydrofoil personal watercraft designed to transform aquatic mobility with its blend of performance, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology. Developed by Australian startup Anautic, the Waveflyer series, including the Volare and Rogue models, utilizes the patented wave drive system, featuring retractable hydrofoils and dual electric motors for a smooth, silent, and emission-free ride. These hydrofoils lift the craft above the water at speeds as low as 8 knots, reducing drag and providing a serene cruising experience. The Volare model offers a top speed of 20 knots, a range of up to 100 kilometers, and a cruise time of approximately 4.5 hours, with a rapid recharge time of around 1 hour. Instagram +8 Futuride +8 eFoil Maroc. eFoil Maroc +8 onboardonline.com onemarinebusinessnews.com.au 1 designed for versatility. The Waveflyer accommodates 1 to 2 passengers with side-by-side seating, making it ideal for leisure cruises, resort experiences, or personal commuting. The craft's lightweight construction, achieved through advanced composite materials, ensures agility and efficiency. Safety and user-friendliness are paramount, with features like intuitive fly-by-wire controls, a high-resolution display, and multiple flight control levels, FCLs, that allow riders to select their preferred handling dynamics, from gentle, auto-stabilized settings for beginners to more responsive modes for experienced users. Number 7. The AIR-1 is a groundbreaking personal electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft developed by Israeli startup AIR, designed to make private aviation accessible to everyday users. This sleek, two-seat aircraft combines the convenience of a car with the freedom of flight, offering a top speed of 155 mph, 250 km/h, and a range of up to 110 miles, 177 km on a single charge. Its fully electric propulsion system ensures zero emissions, aligning with sustainable transportation goals. Aerospace Testing International Plus Home Plus One constructed with lightweight materials, the AIR-1 has an empty weight of 970 kilos, 2,138 lbs, and a maximum payload capacity of 250 kilos, 550 lbs, providing ample space for passengers and luggage. The aircraft features 8 electric motors powering 8 fixed propellers, eliminating the need for complex tilting mechanisms and enhancing reliability. Its high-mounted wings and boom-mounted vertical stabilizers contribute to aerodynamic efficiency and stability during flight. Aero Home. One of the standout features of the AIR-1 is its user-friendly fly-by-intent control system, which simplifies piloting by allowing users with minimal flight experience to operate the aircraft safely. The cockpit is enclosed with a canopy, offering panoramic views and protection from the elements. Additionally, the aircraft's wings can be folded, enabling it to fit into standard parking spaces and making storage more convenient. Number 6. The DeBlasi R30 is a pioneering foldable electric mobility scooter designed for individuals seeking a compact, portable, and user-friendly transportation solution. Manufactured by the Italian company DeBlasi, this scooter stands out with its automatic folding mechanism. Users can fold and unfold the scooter effortlessly with the press of a button, transforming it into a compact unit measuring just 62 x 39 x 48 cm, 24.4 x 15.4 x 18.9 inches. When folded, it can be conveniently stored in car trunks, carried in elevators, or even taken as luggage on airplanes. Additionally, the scooter features integrated wheels and a handle, allowing it to be towed like a suitcase, enhancing its portability. Number 5. The Trigo is an innovative electric quadricycle designed to revolutionize urban mobility by combining the agility of a motorcycle with the comfort and safety of a car. Developed by the Polish company Trigo, this unique vehicle features a patented variable geometry chassis that allows it to switch between 2 modes, a wide mode for high-speed cruising and a narrow mode for maneuvering through traffic and parking in tight spaces. In wide mode, the Trigo has a width of 148 cm and can reach speeds up to 90 km/h, while in narrow mode, the width reduces to 86 cm, making it ideal for congested city environments. This adaptability is controlled via a drive-by-wire system, enabling seamless transitions between modes while on the move. New Atlas. New Atlas, plus 3 in yourself, plus 3 Reddit, plus 2 Trigo plus 2 Emerging Europe plus 2. The Trigo is powered by 2 10 kW rear-mounted brushless DC motors, providing a top speed of 90 km/h and a range of up to 140 km on a single charge. Its lightweight design, weighing approximately 530 kilograms, enhances energy efficiency, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional vehicles. The vehicle's tilting mechanism allows it to lean into corners by up to 20 degrees, offering a motorcycle-like riding experience. Inside, the Trigo accommodates 2 passengers in a tandem seating arrangement, with a single. Number 4. The Arcaboard is a groundbreaking electric personal flying vehicle developed by RKA Space Corporation, designed to provide a hoverboard experience reminiscent of science fiction. Launched in 2015, the Arcaboard utilizes 36 high-power, electric ducted fans to achieve lift and propulsion. With a maximum thrust of 200 kgf, approximately 440 lbs, it can elevate a rider up to 30 cm 1 ft above the ground, offering a unique and exhilarating mode of personal transportation. The board's lightweight construction, made from aerospace-grade composite materials, ensures durability while maintaining a manageable weight of 82 kg, 180 lbs. Powered by lithium polymer, LiPo batteries. The ARCA board delivers a flight time of up to 6 minutes, depending on the rider's weight and usage conditions. It features an onboard stabilization system that maintains level flight, and users can control the board via a smartphone application or by adjusting their body posture, providing an intuitive flying experience. Number 3. The 2025 Yamaha X-Max. Trendy Tech Max Plus is a premium sports scooter that blends advanced technology, comfort, and performance, making it an ideal choice for urban commuting and long-distance touring. This model features a 292cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine delivering approximately 27.6 horsepower, coupled with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, for smooth acceleration, and a top speed of around 87 mph, 140 km/h. The scooter's fuel efficiency is impressive, offering approximately 73 mph, 3.2 L 100 km, which contributes to its 3.4-gallon, 13.2-liter fuel tank, providing a substantial range. Motorcycles, 2025. US Yamaha Motorsports, USA. The X-Max 300 Tech Max Plus boasts a sleek design characterized by bold X-shaped LED headlights and taillights, high-mounted front indicators, and a dynamic body that enhances its sporty appearance. The seat design improves accessibility, reducing leg reach to the ground for greater rider comfort. Its integrated. Number 2. The Mihogo Air is an innovative carbon fiber electric bike designed to redefine urban commuting with its lightweight build, impressive range, and advanced technology. Weighing just 49.8 lbs, 22.6 kg, thanks to its Japanese Toray T800 carbon fiber frame, the Mihogo Air is among the lightest in its class, making it easy to maneuver and transport. Equipped with dual batteries offering a combined capacity of nearly 1,000 Wh, it boasts an exceptional range of up to 128 miles, 206 kilometers, on a single charge, catering to long-distance riders and daily commuters alike. The bike features a 750 W motor with a torque sensor, providing smooth and responsive power delivery. Number 1. The Manta 5 SL3 is a groundbreaking electric hydrofoil bike that offers a unique blend of cycling and water sports, allowing riders to glide above the water's surface with ease. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the SL3 introduces several enhancements to improve performance and user experience. It features a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, which provides durability and buoyancy, ensuring the bike remains upright when stationary. The SL3 is powered by a Hydropack battery system, with options for both 600 watt and 1000 watt batteries, offering extended ride times and faster charging capabilities. The bike's design includes a fixed rear foil and a front hydrofoil that lifts the rider above the water, reducing drag and allowing for smooth, efficient movement. Additionally, the SL3 is equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, enabling riders to monitor battery levels, adjust assist levels, and track performance metrics via a smartphone app.